guys, welcome to Chemistry is Easy. This video I just take it off for this question which has a mole on it, which has a percentage composition and hydrate cells on it. Okay, so let's begin the question. It says us on experiment, empty, crackable and lead is, the gram of it is 57.85. Crackable lead and hydrate salt, this is SS salt, hydrate salt is 58.887. So after that, after heating, so first of all it was just one crackable, yeah. After that we take the salt on it, hydrate salt. After that we heat that and take anhydrate salt, which hasn't any salt on it. Okay, so begin the first question, and this is a gram of it. So the anhydrate salt is 58.55 gram. Okay, find the amount in mole of anhydrate salt. So we know one formula of we had two formula for mole. First of all, one of them was N equal to N divided by Ne, which is N is 6.02 times to 10 power 23, and N was the number of the particle in N mole, and the other formula is equal to N little m divided by big M. So yeah, and if you look at here, we have a gram, so we must use this one. Okay, find the amount in mole of hydrate salt, anhydrate salt. So anhydrate salt, look at in here, where is anhydrate salt? Oh, the third one is anhydrate salt. So this gram I know in the results. Okay, so what was the formula? N equal to M over M. Okay, and now, so what is M? M is in my mass in gram. Okay, so this is my M. Okay, and what is molar mass? Molar mass, when you look at the big M or molar mass, every time you must look at the periodic table. Okay, it means the mass number. Okay, the mass number, look at the periodic table. So in here, N mole in anhydrate salt. So what was the salt? The salt of this question is actually, okay, CuSO4.xH2O. So Cu for, I am calculating for CuSO4.xH2O. Okay, so this is my hydrate salt. So what is the anhydrate salt is? Don't look at the water. This is anhydrate salt. So what is the molar mass of anhydrate salt? The mass number of this. So I can say the molar mass of any element is equal to mass number of Cu plus mass number of S plus mass number of O4. Okay, so mass number of this compound which is anhydrate salt is this. Mass of the Cu, mass of the S, and mass of the O4 plus each other together. Okay, so I know this gram and this is my molar mass. But one thing you should know before your calculation, I have an empty crackable and lead plus anhydrate salt, which is 58. So I must take this minus to this to know what is actually, how many gram is anhydrate salt. Okay, so actually I must 58.515 minus 57.85 divide by molar mass. Okay, molar mass of the Cu is, if you look at the periodic table, it is 63. Okay, molar mass of the S is 32, and molar mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 times 4, because it has a valence of 4, so 4 times 16 is 64. So I can write like 63 plus 32 plus 64. 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus 3 123 plus 4 127 plus 30 157 159. So 159 in here. Okay, so this is my answer. Just this to keep it minus, I just write the result in here. 58.515 minus this, which is equal to 0.0662 divided by 159. So this is your result for this equation. So let's begin another time. Find the amount in mole of any of hydrate salt. Okay. First of all, I know the formula is N equal to M over M. M is a mass number. How we can calculate the molar mass of the mass number? Molar mass is equal to M of the Cu plus M of the S plus M of the 4. This is 63. Look at the periodic table. 32 and O is 16 times 4 because it has I have 4 of them in here. So 64. I had a plus of them in here, 159, and also 58.515 minus 57.85. Okay, because I must check that how many I can say gram of anhydride salt, because this is plus of lead, crucible lead and hydrate and anhydride salt. I just want to know how many gram is anhydride salt alone. It hasn't any lead on it. Okay, so this is my result, 0.662 over 151. Okay, so begin the next question. I just rub it first. Okay, so second question, question 2. Okay, using your result, find the amount of water. Amount of water originally present in the hydrate salt. Amount of water originally in hydrate salt. So I have 58.515. I say this is the mass of this is the mass. So I can say the mass of crucible plus mass of anhydride salt, I just write N, is equal to 58.155. And also, because I must in this question write find the amount of water in this salt, in hydrate salt. So I must know in a mole. Okay, so I am knowing the mass number of the crucible and the mass number of the anhydride salt is equal to the as of them is 58.515. And also I know the mass of crucible plus mass of hydrate salt equal to 58.887. Okay, so if I minus this by this, what will happen? Okay, so minus this by this. It means just take one minus in here. So this and this will be cancelled, and the mass of anhydride salt minus the mass of hydrate salt is equal to 58.15 minus 58.8, which is 58 minus 0.03. Okay, so minus 0.3 is my answer. And this is minus, so I take it plus, plus, and minus. So mass of hydrate salt minus mass of anhydride salt is 0.3. And the question wants, find the amount of water in hydrate salt. Amount of water in gram. So the mass of hydrate salt minus mass of the anhydride salt, it means because the mass of hydrogen has a water in the structure, and mass of the anhydrous is that salt without water. So this minus this is equal to amount of the gram in water. So this is 0.3.